Hello friend, today we are studying Culture in Paddy Fields by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College Nanded, BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number 1. Doubling of farmers' income through paddy cum fish culture. Paddy fish culture technology. Introduction. Integrated fish farming is a technique of a fish culture with other organism, animal or plants. Major objective of this technique is to get a maximum output through involving minimum input supply in a minimum time duration. Rice field farming is the culture of a rice fish in the same place of a land. More production can be achieved in a rice fish culture, that is a comparison to the rice culture alone. Introduction. Economical utilization of land. Little extra labor is required, saving on labor cost toward the feeding and supplementary feeding. Enhanced rice yield by the 5 to 15%. Production of fish from paddy field. Fish control is unwanted filamentous algae which gives otherwise complete foreign nutrition. Rice field may also serve as a field nutri-series to grow few into fingerlings. History and development of rice fish culture. History of rice fish culture is quite old and first start in ancient China about 2000 years ago. In course of time, this practice became introduced in Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, India and other countries of the world. Lately, Aloza is cultured with rice fish in China. This is a fish with a rice field. Site selection. Water holding capacity of selection plot size must be good enough so that soil can hold the water easily. Loamy, clay loamy soil are suitable for a rice fish culture. Selection of plot should be low land and would contain water naturally for 7 to 10 months but must be secure from flood. Types. Perennial system of paddy fish farming. Scrone's refuse pond system of paddy fish farming. Ensure the system of paddy fish farming. Culture technique. Fish culture is rice can be practiced in two ways. Culture of rice fish together concurrent system generally practiced during the Oman season of a moderate to low paddy field where the water logging exists for 4 to 5 months naturally. Minor carp and thylacarp are highly suitable for this practice, but tilapia or a grand freshwater pond can be stocked with rice. Fish culture after harvesting rice and alternative system. In this technique, a fish are stocked in a paddy field after harvesting rice from a land. 6 to 7 months rearing of fish possible by this unit until the rice plantation is the next season. Carp and crab species suitable for stocking, but grass carp can also be stocked. In case of a grass carp stocking, precaution must be taken so that this fish cannot be eaten young paddy. Environmental requirement of a fish and rice. Parameter. Depth of water. Rice should be 3 to 5 cm normal condition. Fish 0.4 to 1.5 for a nursing and 0.8 to 3 meter in growing out. Temperature. Water and soil temperature up to the 40 degrees Celsius, fluctuation of up to the 10 degrees Celsius, 25 to 35 for warm water species. pH of water. Nutrition neutral to alkaline, 6.5 to 9. Culture period 90 to 120 day for a HYV, up to the 160 day for a traditional varieties, 120 to 140 days depending upon the species of a market requirement. These figures show the structure designed for a paddy cum rice culture. Rice variety suitable for a rice cum fish culture. The Tulsi, Rajanjan, Jalmalgan culture species of fish rice field. Species such as Leburohita, Katla katla, Oricomus, Macrobus, Anabus, Testudinus, and the Channa stratus, Channa punctatus, Channa morulus, Hepatonos fossils, and Chois, Channas. Perennial system of paddy fish farming. Merits: conventional for a low leveling up productive land into a productive units through the proper land shaping and the introduction of a fish carp, rising fish carp up to the table size. All the species of carp used in a composite fish culture, exclusive in harvest like a grass carp, Java, putti, and can be reared in this system. Water of a touch and pond can be used as a source of irrigation during dry months. Soil characteristics: water retain capacity. Among the physical property of the soil, pH and productivity of soil are very important. Selected site of soil is a very 100 grams should be contain a 50 to 75 milligram of nitrogen. For a good production from a culture fish, soil pH should be between 7.5 to 8.5. This figure show the farming with a fish, rice farming with fish. Thank you.